How do I get the Analysis ToolPak add-in into my copy of Microsoft Excel? So how do we get the Analysis ToolPak into our copy of Excel? Well, here we go. Here's what I'm going to show you here. Open your copy of Excel. It's in the Microsoft Office suite if you're having trouble locating it. So you'll click on, if you have an older Windows version where you still have the Start button bottom left, you would go into Microsoft Office and then select Excel. Once you have that open, what I want you to do is kind of look along the top of your copy of Excel and go to this Data tab. It usually opens up on the Home menu. Go to the Data tab along the top, and you'll notice you're checking to see if you have it yet. You don't have it. If it looks like this, you'll see all these little tools all the way to the right. You should have a box in this little empty space right here where it says Analysis. If you don't have that, then we're going to proceed. If you have a box that says Analysis and it's got the Data Analysis ToolPak in it already, then you can stop. You're good to go. You can start working on your homework. If not, we're going to go to the top left-hand corner of your Microsoft Excel window to the Office button. Okay, so here's the Office button. Select it, click it, and you'll see all the common commands like New, Open, Save, Save As, etc. Go to the bottom right part of that square there, Excel Options, down there, next to the exit. Excel Options, click that. Up comes an Excel Options big window, okay? And we're going to look on that left-hand side with the little links to different things you can options for your copy of Excel. And we're going to look for add-ins. It should be about 7 down. Add-ins, click on that. Now you can see which add-ins are active in your copy right on this computer you're on. And you can see which are inactive applications, add-ins. And look what's right there. Very first thing in my list is Analysis ToolPak. Okay, clicking on it here is really not going to do too much good for you. So we're going to go down to the bottom of that list where it says Manage, and there's a drop-down menu of Excel add-ins. Leave that there just the way you see it here, Manage Excel Add-ins, and click the word Go. Now you're going to have a checklist that's going to pop up, and the very first thing should be the Analysis ToolPak. We're going to check that off. And check off anything else you need, okay? I'm just checking off stuff that I'm going to need in the future. And so, go ahead and click OK. And then, it shouldn't take too long. You may have to install it. Your computer may say, I can't run this add-in because it's not installed. Sometimes we go for the quick install when we get our computers. And so if you have to go through these, just click OK and tell it, whatever you need to do. Follow the commands to tell it to go ahead and install it. You trust this program might be one that comes up. So just go ahead and follow the prompts. Allow it to download or install the data analysis add-in. And then once you're done and you followed all your prompts, it should look like this. You see I have now, instead of a blank space, I have an analysis box. And I have my Data Analysis ToolPak. If I click on that, look what I have. All this wonderful analysis tools. A lot of stuff here I can use. And which ones I'm going to use really all depends on the level of measurement that my data was collected at. So hopefully I'll be able to use a bunch of them. So that would mean I collected interval ratio level of data, right? My level of measurement. The higher the level, right, the more options I have for my analyses. Okay? So if you're collecting data at the nominal ordinal level, you don't have as many options. So, okay. Talk to you guys soon. If you have any questions, let me know.